Hello and welcome. This is lesson 3 of Learn Hindi through English, and in this lesson we will learn probably the most important topic of Hindi language and also most confusing topic of Hindi language, and that is about genders. Genders. All right. Now, in English, we have three classifications of genders: masculine, feminine, and neutral. Now, these are the examples of masculine gender: man, father, boy, uncle, and prince. These are the examples of feminine gender: woman, mother, girl, aunt, princess. And these are the examples of neutral gender because they can be either male or female: child, spouse, parent, horse. Okay? But unfortunately, in Hindi, we have only two genders: masculine and feminine. There is no neutral gender in Hindi. And all the nouns that are there falls under either masculine or feminine, which makes it very confusing for those who are learning Hindi language. Alright? Now, for example, boy is masculine in Hindi. Now, boy is also masculine in English. Son is masculine in Hindi. Son is also masculine in English. Room is neutral in English, but it is masculine in Hindi. There is nothing about room which makes it masculine, but then we have room under the classification of masculine gender in Hindi. Alright? So, when you are using the noun room in a sentence, then you must know that the room belongs to masculine gender in Hindi. If you use wrong gender for this, then the sentence will be wrong. Okay? City falls under the classification of masculine gender in Hindi. There is nothing about city which makes it masculine, but then we have it as masculine gender in Hindi. When we come to feminine, we have girl, daughter, both as feminine gender in Hindi, which are also feminine gender in English. But then we have language, bhasha, language, which falls under the category of feminine gender. There is nothing about language which makes it feminine, but then still we have it under the classification of feminine gender. Okay? Bird falls under the category of feminine gender in Hindi. Okay? So now we will look at few of the rules that help us in deciding whether a noun is masculine or not. Now, these are general rules, alright, and they cannot be used every single time. And as all the languages have exceptions, we have exceptions in Hindi too. Okay, so let us look at the general rules. The masculine nouns generally end with the vowel a in singular and a in plural. So, for example, kamra is room. Kamra is room. So, this is singular, room. It ends with the sound a. Kamra. Okay. And rooms is kamre. Kamre. It ends with a in the plural. Kamre. Vada is promise. It ends with a. Vade is promises. It ends with a. Ladka, boy. Ladke, boys. Beta, son. Bete, sons. Okay. A few masculine nouns which are in plural, which do end in a, also exist, but these are mostly relationship terms. For example, pita is father. Pita is fathers. Alright, so same word for singular and plural. The usage depends on the context of the sentence. Chacha is uncle. Chacha is uncles. So it ends with a in both singular and plural. Dada is grandfather. Dada is grandfathers. Mama is uncle. Mama is uncles. Raja is king. Raja is kings. Some masculine nouns which don't end in a also exist. Their number is determined by context. For example, ghar is home. Ghar is also homes. They also have same word for singular and plural form. So here if you see, ghar doesn't end with a sound. And we have same word ghar for both singular and plural form. Admi, admi ends with e sound. Me, e. Admi is man. Admi is men. Sheher is city. Sheher is cities. Makan is house. Makan is houses. Okay. Now coming to feminine nouns. Feminine nouns typically end with the sound e in singular form and iya in plural. E in singular, iya in plural. For example, mithai. Mithai is singular. Mithaiya is plural. Mithai is sweet. Mithaiya is sweets. In singular form, it ends with e, and in plural, it ends with iya. Iya. Ladki, girl. Ladkiyan, girls. Sadi, sari. Sadiyan, saris. Prati, copy of a book. Pratiyan, copies. Okay. Feminine nouns may also end in iya in singular form and iya in plural form. There is small difference in pronunciation. This is iya, this is iya. Iya. So here you have to use your nose to pronounce this. Okay. Iya. You have to use your nose to pronounce this. For example, chidiya is bird. Chidiya is birds. Budiya is old woman. Budiya is old woman. Okay. It ends with iya and iya. Alright. Feminine nouns may also end in a in the singular form and a in plural form. For example, mata is mother, ends with a sound. Mata, a. Matae, matae, mothers. Bhasha, language. Bhashae, languages. Asha, hope. Ashae, hopes. Aurat, woman. Aurate, woman. Kitab, book. Kitabe, books. Mej, table. Meje, tables. Alright? The words ending with ta are generally feminine. For example, safalata, which means success, ends with ta. Avashyakata, is requirement, ends with ta. Sahayata, help. Mitrata, friendship. Sundarata, beauty. Yogyata, worth. Ekta, unity. Rashtriyata, nationality. Sadasyata, membership. Kshamata, ability. Okay, so these are general rules. Now, there are no set of rules in Hindi that holds good for all the nouns. All right. So this gender, classifying a noun into a gender, it has to come by practice. All right. Now, some nouns can be used for either males or females. Thus, the grammatical gender of these words is dependent upon the context in which you are speaking. All right. Now, if you cannot figure out the gender of a noun, you do not have to worry. Okay, just follow this step which I am going to show you, and you can decide the gender of the noun. All right. Go to this website shabdkosh.com and enter the word that you are searching for. Okay, for example, I am going to search room here, and room is kamara in Hindi. You must know the Hindi word also, and in the bracket you can see whether it is a masculine or feminine. Okay, so gender here is masculine, M. Okay, so kamara is a masculine noun. Next, let me search language and hit enter, and you must know the Hindi word for language. Hindi word for language is bhasha, and bhasha is a feminine noun. Okay, so whenever you are in a doubt, you can go to this website and enter the word in English. It will give you the meaning in Hindi along with the gender of it. All right, click subscribe, click on the bell icon, and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.